Politico Politicophobia is a parallel world to the normal Danish world, and in Politicophobia there is the king called Lars Løkke. He lives in Copenhagen, which in the King Castle, and the King Castle is placed in the city of Copenhagen. Lars Løkke is the Danish king, and he is good, but also a little bit bad, because he sometimes could find on to go and speak with Mette Frederiksen from the Witch Island. Mette Frederiksen, the reason why Mette Frederiksen is bad and he is abandoned from the Danish kingdom is because he kept Arne prisoned. Arne is an old man who had invented a very famous thing that Mette Frederiksen had used a lot. The hero in the text is Alex Vanopslagh, and Alex Vanopslagh is from the land of Jylland. He is from a city in Jylland called Struer, and he is a very high man. He had blonde hair. He is tall and strong, had a very fit body and a very charismatic way of speech. He is the hero because in its tale he fly to the island of the witch, and he find Arne, who had made this very famous thing Mette Frederiksen from the Witch Island had taken from him. And when he finds Arne, he take him home to the city of Copenhagen, and with the help of Lars Løkke Rasmussen, he get a big army, and then they go to attack the Witch Island. On the Witch Island, Mette Frederiksen and all his other witches also make an army. So the army from the Kingdom of Denmark and the Witch Island's army is going to war against each other. The war is a very long war, and it's very bloody, and it's very hard. Many die, many witches and many men from witches from the island of the witches, and men from the Kingdom of Denmark is dying. But at the end, there's only Mette Frederiksen and Lars Løkke and Alex Vanopslagh back. And Alex Vanopslagh start with, he throw his sword after Mette Frederiksen and hit Mette Frederiksen in his head, and Mette Frederiksen died of that. And after that, he also killed Lars Løkke and then became the king of Denmark. And the magic in this world is that Alex Vanopslagh can fly and he can see in the future. So Alex Vanopslagh could see into the future, so he can predict the future and be ready on what he's going to do. And Mette Frederiksen could also fly, and he could see into the present. So he could see everything that happened in the present from every soul in the whole of the Kingdom of Denmark. Lars Løkke, he's a very good man, and the thing about him is he's very good to betray people. He is very famous for, and known as him that stick people in the back with a knife. And when they have fight the battle against each other, they make Arne the king of the Witch Island. So his task is to make the witches good and make that the witches should not get another leader like Mette Frederiksen, so there will be peace in the Kingdom of Denmark.